Have you ever looked at a reordered paragraph question in PTE and thought, every sentence looks the same? You're not alone. In fact, reordered paragraph is one of the most frustrating question types in the reading section, because even if you understand every sentence, putting them in the correct order can feel like solving a puzzle. But here's the good news. Most students are approaching this task the wrong way. They're reading all the sentences again and again, hoping the correct order magically appears. But it doesn't. Instead, today I'm going to show you a much smarter strategy that can help you answer these questions faster and more accurately. So let's get started. First, understand one important thing. You do not need to understand every single word. What you need to understand is how the sentences connect to each other. Think of it like a train. Every sentence is a train carriage. Your job is not to admire each carriage. It's not to focus on every tiny detail. Your job is to connect them in the correct order. Once you understand that, reorder paragraph becomes much easier. Your job is to connect them in the correct order. The first thing you should always do is find the opening sentence. The opening sentence introduces the topic. It usually contains a complete idea. It does not use words like this, these, they, he, she, or such. Why? Because those words refer to something already mentioned. And if nothing has been mentioned yet, they cannot be the first sentence. For example, this invention changed the world. Can this be the first sentence? No, because we don't know what invention the sentence is talking about. But if another sentence says, the printing press was one of the most important inventions in human history, now we have the topic, so that sentence is a much stronger candidate for the beginning. That's hack number 1. Find the sentence that introduces the topic. Now let's move to hack number 2. Look for pronouns. Words like he, she, it, they, this, these,
those such. These words act like arrows pointing backward. They need a previous sentence to make sense. Imagine I walk into a room and say, they are amazing. You'd probably ask, who are they?
Exactly. The same logic works in PTE. If a sentence contains a pronoun, it usually cannot come before the sentence that explains who or what the pronoun refers to. Now let's talk about hack number 3. Look for repeated keywords. This is one of the easiest ways to connect sentences. For example, sentence A. Artificial intelligence is transforming many industries. Sentence B. This technology is helping businesses automate repetitive tasks. The keyword is technology. It refers to artificial intelligence. So sentence B naturally follows sentence A. It's like finding matching puzzle pieces. The more matching keywords you find, the easier the question becomes. Now here's hack number 4. Watch for chronological order. Many paragraphs describe a process, a historical event, or a sequence of actions. Look for clues like first, initially, then, later, afterward, finally. For example, the seeds are planted. The plants begin to grow. The crops are harvested. Obviously, harvesting cannot happen before planting. The timeline gives you the correct order. Always ask yourself, what happened first? What happened next? Now let's discuss hack number 5. Look for cause and effect. Here's an example. Heavy rainfall occurred throughout the region. As a result, several roads were closed. Which sentence comes first? Of course, the rainfall. The roads were closed because of the rainfall. Cause comes before effect. Whenever you see phrases like as a result, therefore, consequently, thus, they often signal an effect sentence. Now let me show you the biggest mistake students make. They try to arrange all the sentences at once. Don't do that. Instead, build small connections first. Think of it like solving a jigsaw puzzle. Nobody starts by connecting every piece. You start with 2 pieces that clearly fit together, then another, and another. Let's try a quick example. Sentence A. Many cities are investing in public transportation. Sentence B. This approach helps reduce traffic congestion. Sentence C. Traffic congestion has become a major problem in urban areas. Which comes first? Sentence C introduces the problem.
Traffic congestion is a major problem. Then sentence A provides the solution.
Cities are investing in public transportation. Then sentence B follows because this approach refers to investing in public transportation. See how much easier it becomes when you focus on connections instead of individual sentences? Before we finish, here's a quick summary. Step 1. Find the opening sentence. Step 2. Look for pronouns. Step 3. Match keywords. Step 4. Check chronological order. Step 5. Identify cause and effect relationships. And most importantly, don't try to solve everything at once. Build small sentence pairs first. The more reorder paragraph questions you practice, the faster you'll start noticing these patterns. Remember, this task is not testing how smart you are. It's testing whether you can recognize logical connections between ideas. Master those connections and your score will improve significantly. If you found this lesson helpful, keep practicing these techniques on real PTE questions and you'll start seeing results very quickly. Good luck with your PTE preparation and I'll see you in the next lesson.